Dave and Allyssa are getting ready to build out the center console for Torino's super rare 67 Hemi GTX convertible.
We're still waiting on that convertible top to be installed by Larry, so we can kind of get ahead of the game a little bit. Our carpet came in, so we can get our console all built out and kind of get ahead on the interior.
I was actually just going to ask if it's going to be similar to when I installed the console in the Goldberg's GTX.
Yeah.
Or is this going to be totally different?
Exact same console.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
Okay,
Yep, same console. Only thing different on this one is the shifter handle. We got everything laid out on the table, a lot of different pieces. This here is mounted in the front of the console, so this part's like shoved up underneath your dashboard, so you know you're not going to get a lot of sun on it. So that's a really good piece to save so you can match up your color. Our buddy Tony reproduces these center consoles for the V-bodies. But as you can see, if you flip it upside down, it's black. And so all his consoles are molded in black. And so to get this, blue color, I obviously, took this piece here to match it, and then we got with Will, and we ordered the paint, and Will shot it for us.
Wow.
So you can see it matches perfect.
What about all this? Is this new?
Everything on the car is basically original. It's never been re-chromed or redone or anything. So I just kind of go through with your chrome polish you can get at the auto parts store, and the chrome polish works great. You can see this is all the trim for the side. I was able to get it all polished, and all his lights. These mount in the sides of the console. So all the individual pieces, I kind of go through and polish them all up ahead of time. So either I'm not doing it on the console. It's a lot easier to do them when they're off the piece.
Yeah.
So yeah, and I mean, we even detail out the light sockets. These here, I had all surface rust on them.
Oh my
so I wire wheel them and then clear coat them so they look brand new, And these little boogers here, this harness is expensive. So to replace that, so yeah, we recondition every original piece that we can.
So what do we start with first?
So what we'll do is we'll probably start with the carpet. And this is that piece I was telling you about. It's like made out of like a fiberboard carpet, or this cardboard. And so the new reproduction ones are plastic, and they have a pretty decent shape. They're pretty close, but we try to keep everything original in these cars, as well as I do, Everything that came with the car, we want the car to leave with. So we'll use a heat gun, try to loosen up that glue a little bit, make it a little easier to peel that off.
We got our carpet on and it's drying. While we're waiting for this to dry, what can we do next?
We can go ahead and put a light in. So that's cool. So you got these mounted in the rear door panels that light up the back seats, and then you got them up here that light up the floors of the front seats. Whereas on the 68 of Goldberg's car, he has these in the consoles, but they changed the rear door panels and just got like a little courtesy light. It's like a hole in the rear door panel that kind of shines down.
Oh, okay.
So this is really neat because it kind of follows suit right through the interior. Now when this light goes in, you want it to shine on the floor. So it only goes in two positions. If you put it in like that, you can see that shines on the floor, and that's where it needs to be. Then it's just a yard of putting the 2 screws in there, and I'll start them. Then I'll have you run them in there. And that'll take care of our nice, cool light. So neat seeing the amount of chrome that they put on these old cars, I
know.
You just don't see that anymore. If there was a light in a car like that, it would just be black. Or else it would just be a light. They wouldn't dress it up and make a fancy bezel and all that cool stuff, Yeah, this is an OE. That's the exact way the console looked in 67. I mean, of course, the chrome was a lot better shape. We didn't have any of the chrome work done on this, because this is a daily driver. But that's the way it looked right off the showroom floor. So it's just laying the carpet in there, putting the seats in, and bolting that console in there, and it's done.
So just a few more days until test drive?
Yeah.